So it is our ability to work or cause change. We cannot hold it, we cannot see it, but we feel it. This is called energy. We all know that energy is very important to us. It's perform our daily activities. So I am Novelin A. Beraki. So today I will be talking about the three forms of energy. First is sound, heat, and light. So, if naa ka sa inyong balay, unsa ang usually nga sound nga imuhang madungog? It is the sound of television or sound of radio. If naa na pud ka sa gawas sa inyong balay, unsa ang usually nga sound nga imuhang madungog? It is the sound of cars, vehicle, or barking dogs. So I have an example here. Guitar. Guitar is produce sound. When strings are plucked or strummed, it causes to vibrate, which sent down into the air until reaches your ears. Aside from the air, sound can also travel through solid and liquid objects. Sound have also their own characteristic. Some sounds can describe as a relaxing and soothing. That's the we call pleasant sound. Some sounds are irritating or painful to hear. That's the we call unpleasant. How can we produce sound? We can produce sound, natural and artificial sound. So pag may tag natural, man siya itong madunggan sa mga animals, plants, and the environment. Pag moingon po tag artificial sound, muna siya ang atong madungog nga mga musical instruments, cars, appliances, and television. Sound also help tear up a person, creating a pleasant musical instrument, creating a recreational activity. Heat is another form of energy. You can't feel it when you come close to a hot object or when you expose yourself to a sunlight. Look around you. Can you identify different sources of heat? Heat can be felt when sunlight hits you. The sun is the main source of heat on Earth. The sun keeps the Earth warm enough for living things to survive. How light travels. Try to look at the mirror. What have you noticed? You can see yourself. This is called reflection. This happens when light bounces back from a smooth surface like the mirror. So the example of natural sources of light is fire, stars, and fireflies. And the example of artificial sources of light is flashlight and lamp because they are operated using battery and electricity. And the artificial sources is human-made. Light is another form of energy, also known as radiant energy. Light enters in our eyes to see the things around us. We can divide the sources of light into two, natural and the artificial sources. Sa pagmata natog morning, we can see the things around us. This is because the sun is already up. The sun is the natural source of light on Earth. The sun is the primary source of light. It produces their own light. Have you tried sitting on a bonfire during a camp? What did you feel? You felt warm because fire is also a source of heat. Burning objects also emit heat. Appliances in your home, just as flat iron, microwave oven, and electric kettle is also produce a heat. This powered by electricity, and when you turn them on, they emit heat. Like just for example, a cup and a boiling water and a spoon. So when you place a metal spoon in a boiling water, the heat will transfer to a metal spoon. That's the we call a conduction.